Hi everyone, today February 16th and I will go to Scorebirds Hotel and Scorebirds swimming pool competition now. It's now time 1 p.m. I go in advance early because I want to find space for seat. I want to start live stream today and you can see already this video. Thank you in advance. Good afternoon. Thank you.
And what this is for us to know, and for our research, we're going to get in, it's going to be the beat. Captivating ladies from all over the Philippines of being international gentlemen. And as I mentioned, this is the only respectful judging of this competition. Still, the more pieces that they get, the more chances of their winning. So buy your beats now and give us our favorite candidates for the Scorebirds exclusive competition. Representing Dollhouse Bar, please welcome Miss Mia Guapa. And we know gentlemen, contestant number 3 from Mega Manila with a minus 36 of 36, 25, and 25. By the way, gentlemen, 19 years of age from Global Landis, please welcome Eliza Gonzalez. and 25. 5'3" height, 20 years of age. Representing Western Bar, please welcome Miss Jolie Callow. Representing from the big land of Mega Manila with about a 76 of 36, 26, and 27. 5'2" high gentleman, 20 years of age. Representing Dollhouse Bar, give it up for Miss Alexa Armenta. Jennifer Zigapoli. All you need to do is just raise your hands if you want to buy them some ladies' rings. We have here contestant number 2. A five over there. 5 ladies' rings over downstairs. Is there any higher than 5? How many? Is there any more higher than 5 drinks? Eliza Gonzalez Saban. Is there anyone here who wants to buy some ladies' rings? For Miss Eliza, 2 drinks over downstairs. Any more higher than 2 drinks? Please raise your hands. Higher than 2 drinks over. Play once. Play twice. We got a winner. 2 drinks over downstairs. Like I said, that's going to be later on that we can also make down. And of course, we have here single and available gentleman, 20 years of age, sexy lady from Tacloban City. Yes, where's it going? Gentlemen, at 19 years of age, Miss May Rosaldo. Anyone who wants to buy some ladies' drinks for these sexy ladies, please raise your hands. Yes, sir. A drink's over here. Anyone? Going twice. I think we got it. Yes, sir. Dollhouse Bar, at 20 years of age, Alexa Armenta. Once again, is there anyone who wants to buy some ladies' drinks for these sexy ladies right next beside me? Yes, sir. We got one more here. Anyone? I said I'm from there. Good evening, gentlemen. Gentlemen, 18 years of age, gentlemen. Young lady.
Mango. Kahit sa hapon.
And so once again, my son is in the right side here, the so versatile.
Alex, Alex, hi. Hi.
Enjoy your shit.
Thank you. It's okay filming you? Not problem video? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. See you. So heavy, yeah.
Moving on to our contestant number 15, representing from Cebu City. The Lord of Star States has a chance to squad to keep right next to Sandy Gentlemen. All you need to do is find yourself in this race. So one by one, I'll be introducing them to you. If you wanted to find them something in this race, all you need to do is just raise your hands. We're ready. Please raise your hands. From Cebu City, lovely Montilla. Everyone wants to try some ministries for this girl. Please raise your hands. Yes, sir. You don't get to be lonely. But once, every time to try some ministries, that's what the Weaver says. And we got here, the lady beside me. Please raise your hands if you want to play a ladies' race for this girl. This one. These two. Okay. Ladies' race. Okay. So this is a good deal. But relax and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you so much. You ready? So now we're going to proceed in our next round to be part of the top 7 finalists, gentlemen. All you need to do is for all the girls that wear red shirts that are moving around the area. Because this is just only the criteria for judging for these competitions, making the more biggest show.
the while waiting for the result for the semifinals. We're gonna be rendering some more songs. Once again, we are the Synergy. There's another coming from Island Cara. First, embrace my friend, but it's slow, growing and true, that your feet seems
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be proceeding to round 2, where we'll be picking out our top 7 finalists. And then later on, gentlemen, we'll be having our and to get the third spot for our top 8 finalists, congratulations, bro! And to get the fourth spot, we're in from Lollipop Bar, candidate number 1, Reina Matona. And to complete our top 8 finalists, representing Lollipop Bar, candidate number 10. Here we are, our top 7 finalists will be proceeding directly to the next round of this following competition. Ladies and gentlemen, first on squad. Once again, representing from Sorcerer Province, with the final statistics for 32, 25, and 25. 45 right, gentlemen, 25 years of age. And very red shirts and moving around the area. The only most reading for 100 days of restaurant speech. And 5,000 commercials for the Golden Beats. Moving on to our next candidate from Civic Bay. Final statistics of 34, 28, 38. 5'7" high, 22 years speech, from the House Bar, candidate number 2, Miss Mina Goodbow. Moving on to our next contestant from Quezon Province. Final statistics of 36, 25, and 35. Bright green high, 20 years of age. Representing Mystery Bar, candidate number 4, Jolie Calo. Jolie Calo. Moving on to our next candidate, gentlemen, Brock Megalina. Final statistics of 36, 26, and 37. 20 years of age, from the House Bar. Contestant number 6, Alexa Armangela. Number 6, Alexa Armangela. Moving on to our next contestant from Samar, with the final statistics of 32, 25, and 35. 25 years of age, representing Lollipop Park, candidate number 10, and Luna. From Butuan City, with a battle statistics of 32, 24, 35, 23 years of age, gentlemen from Abalone Bar, contestant number 12, Jeremy May Cuyos. 22 years of age, please welcome contestant number 14, Juliet Ebrano. Peace time! Yes, so once again, gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging for this competition in the Hobbies and the Dead, more chances of their playing. So right here, please now, I'll give it to your favorite candidates for the Scorers Hotel Swimsuit competition. As we see for the last gentlemen, Oklahoma City, with a rating statistics of 22, 23, and 33, House Bar. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging of this competition, meaning the more pieces they get, the more chances of their winning. This is gonna be your last chance, gentlemen, to help your girl. All you need to do is find them some beats. Last chance for beats inside of the lucky girl. Who's gonna be? I got the beats for. Ooh! It's more exciting! I got the beats too! I got the beats to Natalie number 6, Alexa Armejo! Let's go to the next day, but right now, gentlemen, I'm giving you the very, very last chance to give your kids their favorite candidates. Once again, another golden appearance. Let's get another one. It's number 7, contestant number 6, Alexa Armejo. Once again, gentlemen. Jeremy Cuyos from Abalone. And these, ladies and gentlemen, and gold beads for candidate number.
Ate, dito pa!
Number 5 beads. 4.
We're back on fourth set, and while we're waiting for the result, I'd like to give you some more songs. And again, if you want to request anything, Korean. What started out simple occupation turned into real sweet situation. We just make it all the time that place winner first. Where are they? Okay, are we ready, ladies? Wala pa po ng tatlo. Where are the others?
Nay, wait lang ha. Iilang ako. Antayin natin maging ano. Place. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our third place winner Guys!
with 672 beats. Our third place winner is candidate number 2, Mia Tibaw from Dollhouse. From Dollhouse, candidate number 6, Alexa Armencion. Second place winner, candidate number 6, Alexa Armencion from Dollhouse with 2,017. And our winner, our first place winner with 1,976 beats. Confirmed. Candidate number 12, Sherry May Cuyos from Avalon with 1,976 beats. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much. Good night,
Yes.
good night everybody. We'll see you again next month.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.